Here's how to fix if one AirPod is not charging. If you have AirPods, AirPods Pro, and you're trying to charge them, but one has full battery life, the other one is 0 or running out, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is get your AirPods in your case, and we'll open it up. So you can see I have my AirPods here in the case, and it pops up here with my AirPods Pro. Now, the first thing that we will do is we will reset your AirPods and reset the connection between your phone. So let's head into your settings here. And you can see here Trevor's AirPods Pro. If you don't see that, you can tap on Bluetooth and tap on the little eye right next to your AirPods that are connected. Now, from here, we'll just scroll to the very bottom and we're going to hit forget this device. So we're going to basically unpair this device from my iPhone. After we've done that, essentially what we're going to do is we're going to reset your AirPods. So on here, we're going to tap and hold on the back button. So you can see at the very back, there is a white back button. You can basically do this and you need to make sure the case is open. So make sure you open the case and we will tap and hold. And I'll show you essentially what it looks like. So it's kind of slowly blinking white right now, and it will gradually change from slowly blinking white to more quickly blinking kind of an amber orange color after about 10 or 15 seconds. So just wait for that basically to change color, and then it will reset these AirPods to be brand new and essentially back to factory default. So keep holding that until, there we go. It takes a little bit, but once you hold it, you can see kind of that amber color, and then it switches back over to white. So now we've factory reset our AirPods, we've disconnected it from our phone. The next thing that we will do is we'll take out the AirPods, specifically the AirPod that is having trouble basically charging. And you can see at the very bottom of the AirPod is a little silver colored metal lining. This is where it charges your phone or your AirPods. So make sure that you get a Q-tip and you clean that. And then you're also going to want to look in the case itself, because at the very bottom, you'll be able to see two kind of brass colored indicators or two kind of strips that will be essentially what connects your AirPod and starts charging it. So get a Q-tip, clean out all around your AirPods case here, clean around the entire thing, and then also clean the bottom of your AirPods. Now, the last thing we will do physically is sometimes if you have the larger ear kind of rubber things on there, sometimes it's a bit harder to push them in. So you need to put them in, but you also want to make sure that you push them a little bit so that it connects to that metal strip at the very bottom. So once we've done that, we're going to close the lid here. And then I'm going to open it back up. And if you haven't already, you can just reset and connect to it on your phone. You can see it automatically recognize it here. And here is Trevor's AirPods Pro. Essentially, I've disconnected it from my phone. I've factory reset it on here. And I've also cleaned all of the fittings where it physically charges it. After that, just plug it in and it should charge both AirPods equally. If it doesn't after going through this entire process, then you need to take it into an Apple store. They'll run some diagnostics and most likely give you either a free new set of AirPods or maybe just replace one of them that the battery is not working. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.